Welcome to Northstar Kia, your most trusted automotive dealership located in Long Island City, Queens. Let's take a quick tour of one of the vehicles we have in stock today. Introducing the all-new 2023 Kia Soul EX, a perfect fusion of style, efficiency, and innovation. The Soul EX is not only a standout in terms of design but also when it comes to practicality and economy. With its efficient powertrain, this Soul achieves an impressive estimated fuel economy of around 29 mpg in the city and 35 mpg on the highway. This means you can enjoy the thrill of driving while saving on fuel costs, making it an ideal choice for both urban commutes and highway adventures. Inside, the EX package offers a comfortable and tech-savvy cabin. The spacious interior is complemented by features such as a touchscreen infotainment system, smartphone integration, and advanced safety features to keep you connected and secure on your journeys. This Soul doesn't just provide a means of transportation, it offers a driving experience that combines efficiency, style, and practicality in one package. Embark on your car buying journey with confidence. Schedule a test drive and visit us today. Unlocking possibilities. Delivering quality. Only at Northstar Kia.